Can you believe trackpad is number-friendly? Nums ultra-thin smart keyboard made the crazy idea come true. As the winner of Red Dot Award Best of Best Product, Nums is as thin as 0.26 millimeters. No matter budget control or number entry, Nums boosts your work and study efficiency. Swipe to switch from mouse mode to keyboard mode. Nums perfectly present Sudoku keyboard. Swipe from the upper left corner. Nums spontaneously starts to calculate. Swipe from the lower right corner. Nums helps you delete whatever you want. Swipe from the lower left corner.